Guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and this is something you need to know, and you need to disable this immediately. Absolutely immediately. If you use Facebook on your cell phone, you need to do this. It's similar for an iPhone and Android. They're very similar to each other, so just follow along. This happens to be an Android, so we're going to click on Facebook. You're wondering why you see the ads on Facebook, something you browsed on Google, on Amazon, and now you're getting ads, sponsored ads on your screen based on what you were looking for or looking at. So I was looking at electric vehicles, and look at this, what comes up. My electric vehicle thing. So if you want to disable, so if Facebook is not running on your phone, it tracks everything that you do. Everything. Everything. Every app that you use on your phone, Facebook tracks. So we're going to show you how to shut this off. Okay? So if you click on the two right lines on the top of the screen. On the iPhone, I believe it's on the bottom. So on an Android, you click here. And then you look for settings. Settings and privacy. And then you look for settings again. All right, and then you look for, where is it? Off Facebook activity. Right here in the middle, off Facebook activity. Click on that. And these are all the apps that it's monitoring right now. Every one of these. eBay. So what we want to do first is clear history. And then all these will go away. After you clear your history, you click on More Options, and then you hit Manage Future Activity right here. Then Manage Future Activity again, and turn that freaking thing off. So now Facebook will not monitor your offline activity anymore on your phone. This is a bunch of shit and not very cool. And that is how it's done. Make sure you share this video as much as possible. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.